Hi, I'm Dr. Howard Hoffman. Thank you for joining us to go over our top 10 list as to why you should check out whether you have sleep apnea or whether you're just snoring. There are many implications and everybody has a different reason as to why they should be checked out. Okay, so if you would, prior to going to our top 10 list, I'm going to ask you to fill out the survey that you see on the left, which will help us gear things more towards what you want to hear and see and find out about. And when we're done with that, we'll go directly to our top 10 list, and we have some special bonuses and surprises for you, or gifts, at the end of the top 10 list. Thank you.